المصطفى عما بعد. In present, honorable chief guest, our respectable teachers and our adorable guardians and other brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Muslim. I am the servant of Allah and Ummah Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am a student of Baitul Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam Nurani Madrasa. My name is Muhammad Jannatul Jahan. I study in class 3. Now I take to speech that 10 years next year Dunya is exam hall. Islam is our university. Quran is our syllabus. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is our teacher. Allah Ta'ala is our judge. So try to pass exam hall. Allah Ta'ala says, "Kulli nafsi zaikatul maut." Every man has tasted and that our life is momentary. In this life, if do good or bad activity for result, go to Jannat or Jahannam. Jannat is eliminate peaceful place, but Jahannam is eliminate punishment place. That is very dangerous. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.